Anomalous boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Exchange. How you doing? Cup of Expectation. You know, goals, forced goals. Oh my god. The taste is crisp and fleeting, but biting into a fruit that vanishes before you can savor it. The taste is crisp and fleeting, like biting into a fruit that vanishes before you can savor it. The air feels charged, heavy with the weight of a moment that hasn't arrived yet, but I can't stop bracing for it. So I don't know why, but it said it twice. Oh, okay. So that is a fluffy cloud girl. I can see that. Looking like, probably like a star, I guess. She looks like she really admires me. It's a little weird. But whatever. Alright, that is the Cup of Expectation. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for next video. Bye-bye.